removed the tank, and then we did the fuel filter, did the air filter, and then... So actually it's better to fill up your oil filter. The ABS system with all the things that are coming with that. And if you want to see how this works on a GS 1150, oh fuck. Hello guys, nice that you are watching a new episode of Ben on the Road, and in this episode it's all about maintenance of my bike. The weather's getting better, so that means probably soon I will go out on the bike for some wild camping trips, but I have to do a lot of maintenance. So we're at the bike. Let me change the aperture a little bit. Hello, it's my new 80mm lens actually for vlogging, so that's nice. But if you don't like bike maintenance and this kind of shit, this video is not for you, so I suggest you skip to something you like. We got to do some regular stuff, all the oils, but we also have to do something about the ABS. It's a common problem in the 1150 series, and I want to get rid of this. Yeah, oh, maybe you noticed something here. We got a second bike. It's an F650 GS. It's a newer version, so that means that it's the twin. It's 800cc, and I bought it for my girlfriend, so she can drive also a little bit upcoming season. Let's see if it starts, because it's been a while. Let me place you here, guys. If you want the oil out, it needs to be hot, of course. So that's not bad actually. Can't wait to be on the road again, really. So at the point I'm recording this, I have like 230 followers here on YouTube. I'm really thankful for that, but if you're a real hardcore follower from the beginning, you know my first video was about changing oil. I ordered all my equipment at Motorworks UK, and let me show you a little bit. So here we have everything. Oil for in the cardan, of course motor oil, the filters. Here I have a special cover for the ABS system, later more on that. Some rings, and this is a part for the braking oil for the ABS system. Actually this was a complete kit. We're taking the filter out, and my brother is now cameraman. And if you want to see how this works on a GS 1150, oh fuck. Cos, can you bring the crate? Ow! God. Welcome to my life. Here we go. Zo. Die zit vast. So now we got the oil change done, it's time to get rid of the tank. Hopla! So here we have the airbox, here we have the ABS pump, and somewhere here is the cable from the navigation mount. Here we have our new air filter. Kijk eens, dat is mooi. Here we have the fuel pump and the fuel filter. There we go. What's in the tank? Fuel, obviously, and some shit. Better to clean this before I put it back. Installed the new filter, so the whole circus is going back into the tank. And if you want to know how this works, check YouTube. There are so much nice tutorials about this. Very important, you work clean because braking fluid, it will eat through everything. Here we got the back done. It's directly to the pump, and now we're going to the front. And there I've got this tool. We're just gonna make a connection here. Perfect. Alright guys, we got this installed and it looks like I'm getting some pressure here. I don't see anything leaking, and of course I have to do something about the air in the system now, but that's for later, and also about this a lot of videos on YouTube. It's time to get rid of the pump. Okay guys, as someone as part of the YouTube generation, I've noticed a difference in the pumps. You got two tutorials on YouTube from Wheel Stories and from Superbike Surgery. Big shout out to those guys, because those tutorials are amazing. But on my 2002 GS I found something different. The pump also looked different. I found out here I have some cables, so that's why it was still stuck. And look at this. This is like what's feeding the pump, and now I'm actually a little bit it's not like how it is on YouTube, so I'm a little bit nervous now, because now it really comes to my own knowledge. I have to get rid of those wires. This is a connector, and when this is loose, at least I can take the pump out. Oh, here it is guys. Damn, it weighs a lot actually. The funny part, because in if you saw the other tutorials, there's like a problem with the switches of the brakes. You have got to change the switch of the front brake because of the Superbike Surgery, and knew a nice word for this I thought. But there was something with the brake lights. If you took the pump off, the brake lights will not work. But with this older pump, I just checked it. Front. And it's working. Back. That's awesome. Let's cut off these wires, some heat shrink on them. Here I had the connection that was connected to the pump, and I'll just do it the easy way to make it waterproof. I don't know if it's gonna protect better than it already did with the sandwich bags and the tie wraps, but it just gives me so much satisfaction to wrap things up. Another heat shrink on it. Look, cut them all, put heat shrinks. Now I put one more on top of it to make it waterproof. I don't know where we stopped last time, but I'm back at the chop shop, and it's time to fit the missing pieces. Finally, this part, damn, it took so long. But yesterday finally the mailman came with the missing piece. It's the bleeding nipple, so today we can finally bleed the brake line of the rear. And I will reconnect some cables, and then yeah, just build the rig back up. So let's get started, and hopefully we will achieve something today. It's nice weather. Oh man, this is insane. Alright, let's do it. So let's see. 4 fucking weeks I had to wait for this. And there it is. Yeah, this is the good one. I also ordered a new switch for the fog light. Haha, this is gonna work, guys. Okay, let's put some oil in here. Oh yeah, guys, I bought some new spanners actually. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Fucking good quality, you know. 15 euros from AliExpress. Great stuff, for sure. Yeah, just put some oil in here. And then we're gonna connect this to the nipple. Why they didn't make this a little bit longer, you know? disco. Looks like we got everything done, almost everything. Of course, this is a never-ending story, that's for sure. But yeah, all the cables are tied together with new cable ties, and I did some. Yeah, you saw me working as a soldering professional, but it's working. And if you ask me, it's time to put the tank back. So that's the thing. No tools left. Right. Oh, that's a shame. I spilled gasoline here and the stickers are completely fucked up. Maybe I can order some new ones at AliExpress. Was thinking about to give it a new paint job actually. What do you think? Should I give it a new color like green or something, or black? Let me know in the comments. Oh yeah, baby. Right, so that's nice to know, but now it's time to clean the whole mess here. Alright, so we did almost a full service on the Beamer. Now it's time to go out into the field because I have to do two more things. That's the oil in the final drive, or cardan, final drive, right? And the oil of the gearbox. That's the same oil, so yeah, it has to be a little bit warmed up so it will come out nice and properly. Yeah, that's it. I checked the brakes. I think they're working, so let's go. Bitch. Okay, so one super important thing, once you start a bike for the first time after changing the oil, make sure you immediately check the oil level, because when the oil is going into the system it will drop. For example, it's filling your oil filter, so actually it's better to fill up your oil filter and then put it back, but that's a little bit of a, you know, you're clumsy like me. But remember guys, check the links I put under this video if you want to service your bike. Some juice in here. Right, the brakes work. That looks good. No metal. So if you are dedicated to this channel, and you are no, but maybe you saw the video about my first trip actually on this bike. I got stuck in Berlin.
Rijd ik dus net een lijn in, iets met de cardan.
Actually almost next to BMW Berlin, so that was not bad. I had some problems with the final drive. They renew all the parts, so they did a complete revision, so I'm not worrying about the condition of this final drive. Oil looks good actually, not too bad. Enough oil in there, but it looks a little bit watery. There you go. Yeah, good quality. no oil coming out, so it's time for a test drive. That's nice to be out in the field again. Yeah, it looks like everything is okay. No oil coming out. So that's good, right? I'm happy with what I achieved actually, because you see a lot is doable also when you're not so handy like a mechanic. So yeah, what did we do actually? We removed the tank, and then we did the fuel filter. We of course we did the air filter, and then actually the thing I'm most proud of, we removed the ABS system with all the things that are coming with that. We also did the filters, of course. That's a thing you can do by yourself, believe me. We did the engine oil, we did the oil of the gearbox, and of course of the final drive. Also the brake fluids are renewed, because yeah, with removing the ABS system there's air coming into the system, and that's basically. Oh yeah, we also installed a few cables, so now it's possible to charge batteries here in the case, and of course also on the steering we mounted the USB devices, cables, whatever. And I think that's it. Also a new saddle, but I told you about. Yeah, and then a few more things we have to do. That's the tires, of course, and but that's something I'm gonna do in the bike shop, or I let people do this, and then they can also put some grease on the splines of the final drive once the wheels are off. Or I will ask them. And yeah, that's it, guys. I really appreciate it, you made it so far. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, probably you're owner of an R1150 as well. And guys, keep it up, keep driving, keep having fun, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.